Hey everybody, it's Scott, Simcoe Spring Service, and today we're in somewhere different. So, welcome to the garage. So essentially over the last couple of years, I've been having a harder and harder time shooting videos inside my shop because of the noise, the activity. We're getting busier as it is. I got 2 mechanics now working for me full time, so they're ripping trucks apart constantly. So it's really difficult for me to get in there and get any kind of videos and stuff shot. So we're building ourselves a little studio here so I can do all my intros and stuff like that. I can do all my outros, things like that. I can do product breakdowns and descriptions, and I can help film content to help explain things. And we're gonna go over like how to measure U-bolts and how to measure trailer springs and how to identify bearings and hubs and drums and all sorts of different other types of videos I've been thinking about for the last couple of years. And I wanted to shoot them, but I didn't have a nice quiet place to do it. So we're actually gonna, you can see I got all my inventory over here, but we're gonna actually put a little filming area at the back here. So we're gonna get it all cleaned up and organized and get it ready for filming. So let's get this thing cleaned up and get it ready. So we'll just take this, move it there, that, move it there. Handy. Definitely have the right tools for the job in here. Hello there, and welcome to my YouTube channel with a black stripe on the wall and some trailer parts next to me. Now I just gotta get a microphone. It's quite far away and I don't think it's gonna pick up my voice, so if I talk like this, it's pretty low. But if I talk like this, you can hear me, but it always annoys me when people are yelling into the YouTube videos to accentuate a point. So I'm gonna need a microphone.
Mine thought too, we wanted a more like uniform background. I mean, either like a
green screen?
Yeah, I was gonna say either come drape the green screen out, just like a thumbtack or two in each corner up top there.
Yep, green screen back here, and then we could also pull the camera up a little closer because it's quite far away. I'm pretty small in the video, so bring her forward and see how that looks. Yeah, see now we only got a little bit of the skid here, a little bit of the racking there. That's not terrible. The lighting should be put out just a scooch to the side more like that. Get a little bit more light here. You got some shadows in here. Technically pull this out. That's a little bit more even, so I got a nice brightly lit background. So if I want to put Simcoe Spring back here, I can. SimcoeSpring.com, I can put like a banner or something and get something printed out. So I got lots of options, but essentially this is where we're going to be talking. Hopefully it's not too echoey in the video, but yeah. So welcome to my YouTube channel, and we're going to be starting to launch all sorts of different types of products. We got everything within arm reach over here. We got bearing kits, we got brakes and hubs and drums, we got dust cap removers, all sorts of stuff. So we're going to be talking about how to use them. I actually opted for a welding table because one of the reasons why I wanted a welding table is because it's got holes inside of it here, and then I can actually bolt to the actual table itself. So if I want to make up like a little jig, so like a little holder, I can put a little vise on here. There's all sorts of different options, stuff like that. But yeah, so essentially this is going to be where we're going to be shooting a substantial amount of YouTube content. Now we're still going to be doing installation instruction videos, which will be done in the shop, but then I had to book time off, close the bay up, and schedule that for like an afternoon or something like that. Because whatever it takes me for time to install it, like let's say it's like a 1 hour job, it takes me 2 hours to film it, another like 2 to 6 hours to actually like edit it and put it up on YouTube. So you're talking about taking a 1 hour job and turning it into an 8 hour time period. So if I have access to a table like this, an area like this, somewhere I can set up like little displays and stuff like that, I can actually help you guys understand how things work and how things are installed without having to actually have access to the vehicles and like book entire afternoons off where I can't make any money in the actual shop because I got to pay my employees' wages and stuff like that. So, but yeah, this is it. So if you have any thoughts, suggestions, or ideas for anything I can have for a background or backdrop or anything like that, let me know. But pretty much what I want to do is I want to have like simcoespring.com across the back here. So I'll probably get a banner printed up or something like that, and then we'll go from there. But all the stuff that you saw us move out of the way, we're actually going to do an unboxing video. So then I can put it up on here. I can show you everything that it is, and we're actually going to install it. We're actually going to be putting it in boxes, labeling it, and putting it into inventory. So if you guys are interested in any of that stuff, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, this is pretty much it. This is where we're shifting to. I need more space, and I'm running out of space in the shop right now. So this is the next best thing. So there you go. Thanks for watching. I know it's kind of a weird little video, but it's just kind of like a little more of an announcement than anything else. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. All right, bye.